Please hit the like and comment button. Please don't make me have to beg. Oh, please. I don't want to beg you, please.
I just gotta hold on. I just gotta hold on. I just gotta.
Many people ask, where can they find my merch? Now you can shop at nostalgicsociety.com.
Double at Riverside. Read comfortably day or night. Discover Slow Light 3 now. Riverside DC, and I can help you.
Yeah, how you doing? Is your manager available?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how you doing? This is Arthur J. Crockett. I was just calling you. I'll be arriving in about 45 minutes. Is the table set up by the entrance?
Who is this?
Arthur J. Crockett.
All right, and this is regarding
Book signing.
Jay Parker regarding.
J. Crockett. The author is supposed to be having a book signing today. A book signing.
Book signing. All right, I will go ahead and start the book and set up a profile, okay?
Okay, appreciate it. Thanks. Just as if I wasn't showing up. That's why you have to be on top of this, right? Now, a couple of days ago, I called them, about a week ago, I called them to verify to see how many books they had. They didn't have no books. You know, in the previous video, I said that the person who was in charge of that department was no longer working at the store, so they didn't order the books. That's why you call and verify ahead of time. Now, the young lady was telling me that she didn't know if she had enough time to do a book signing, order the books, and do the signs. I said that in one of the previous videos. I told them, I know you can, but she wanted to do it the correct way. So I called last night just to verify, and they had about 25 books. So magically, 25 books showed up. So luckily, I called because I would have left town thinking that the book signing was cut off, and I would have had 25 books left behind in the store due to the return. So now, the person who I spoke to last night on the phone, they couldn't go into great detail on how many books, but she only can account for 25 books. So when I get there, I'm going to make sure that I know exactly how many are in the store. That way I know if this is going to be a 2-day event or a 1-day event. But I'm going to give them about 30 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and head over there. Right now it's about 9:37. Joe, when I put that address in, it says that it's coming up invalid. Yeah, it's saying that it's invalid. Okay. Okay. Hey, when it make that beep noise, what does that mean? When it make that beep noise, what does it mean?
Like what I'm doing? It just means that they're due out or whatever, which means that they have to be returned back to the publisher.
They would return back to the publisher?
Yeah.
So I just happened to be walking through Barnes & Noble. Oh, hey, I got a question for you. I do a vlog to help other authors out, and I was teaching them about the return policy and all that. And is there any way you can scan one of the books and make that noise so they can hear it? That's the sound you don't want to hear. And when it does that, it's time for them to go back, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Appreciate it. Thanks. So I'm gonna go up here to my table. That's the noise you don't want to hear. So now I do have about 5 books on the shelf, and what I do want to do is replace those with the new book cover. This is my table today. Small table, but it'll work. I'll make it work. So let me go ahead and set up.
Well, good luck to you.
Appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Going home with a Christmas gift for someone?
Actually, I'm just kind of scoping everything out right now.
Appreciate it. Thanks a
Planning
lot.
the attack in future weeks.
Appreciate it.
Good luck to you.
Thanks. Well, I don't quite have enough room to fit everything that I want on the table, so I have to sacrifice. But what I will do is move this out of the way. This is in the way. Make some room over here. It's very rare that I use this. Just be in the way. Good morning. Oh.
Listen, yeah. It's scary.
That's interesting.
I've had. It scares me. I don't know. I like calm books.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
She likes it.
Oh, of course she does. Whatever.
You going home with an autographed book today?
Huh?
Going home with an autographed book today?
Sure.
Yeah, once you go through purchase, when you come back, I'll autograph it for you.
Okay. When I come back, I'll grab one.
Appreciate it. Thanks. And this is part 1 and 2.
So you're a new writer, huh?
I am.
Excellent, excellent. Well, you're in a good place.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, yeah. Carry on, huh?
Appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
Come on.
Thank you, my man.
Oh, thank you.
Appreciate it.
You might have actually been to Gambia.
Not Gambia. I lived in the Philippines, I've been to South Korea, Japan, Thailand.
Gambia in 2010.
Wow. My first novel, it's a mystery suspense. I want you to read the back of the book, see what it's about. It's a mystery suspense because it's not all about me.
I'm going to buy a gift, so let me think about it.
Appreciate it. Go to page 22 and see how it starts. And once you go through purchase, when you come back, I'll autograph for you. Appreciate it. I ain't playing no games today.
I'm just picking up.
Okay. Big guy. Appreciate it. Man, appreciate it, my man.
Awesome, yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Good luck.
Appreciate it. Thanks. I appreciate it. Thanks.
Thank you. I can't wait to read it.
Absolutely. You watch YouTube? You watch YouTube videos?
Yes, I do.
Man. Make sure you subscribe.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Thank you.
Remember, that's part 1 and 2. All you need is part 3 when I finish with it.
Okay.
Appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
Thanks a lot. It's a little too
intense.
It gets you on the first page.
It gets you on the very first page.
You watch YouTube videos?
Yeah.
Hey, here.
You on there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tell you what, go to your phone and subscribe. Go to your phone. I have a vlog. It's called My Life as a Self-Published Author. So that's not as intense. You can find that way, but it's a lot quicker just putting in J. Crockett. The very first one is 001. And it's a vlog with like a series there.
Okay.
So 001 is the very first one. This one right here. So 002, 003, and they go in order. Make more sense if you watch them in order.
Okay, cool.
Appreciate it.
The wording is very good. The structure's good. I like your way you write.
Right.
It's just a little
Too intense?
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
I can't believe it in my glasses.
Damn, I got you.
Oh, nice.
Interesting?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Interesting?
Interesting, not my kind of book, though.
What kind of books you normally read?
She like dick books. She like dick books.
Well, flying dogs.
I'm telling you, I can look at her and tell.
That, too.
Fantasy books.
Thank you.
She got that long thing in her purse.
There you go.
Plenty of romance.
And
She got
Go to page 124.
she got dildos in her purse. I can see it hanging out the side of her purse. It's bulging out of her purse.
yeah, go. Can I roll it? Oh. Okay, I'll go with it. I'll be back.
Alright. She ain't coming back.